Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Right now, time night 2 o'clock 50 minutes. So this is the time. My back to go accommodation time. So now I leaving from my shop. This is the way Delhi. I walking the way this one. I open the light because I think this light is not enough for me. So this is the way. So my vlog exploring daily life Saudi Arabia for an employer, how to survive. So this is the reality. That after duty finish, that time we have to go back to accommodation. So now all the work. So almost a tired body, almost tired mind. So I have to rest. So before I make video night, I didn't have the light, but now I have the light. So now I don't want to talk to more. I want to take the reality, real place, what we face the situation. So I want to capture the situation. So it's me front side. So if I want to make it a little sometime it's behind the situation right now because no one is way walking this place because time is now is almost night. That's why now time. So I think better to make the camera is front side. If the same place is the, if you compare the day or night time too peaceful, but daytime is almost too much shouting, too much disturb in the way because many people walking the way. Also is the weather is too hot in the daytime, but night time is not hot. That's why I like to night time especially. this is the way. If daytime, if I walking this way, it's not normal. Same like too hot. Must be waiting to blow sunglass. But night time, same place, is nothing is a problem. Just peaceful, good place. So this is the different day or night between, if you compare. What I have now is a good thing. I have the camera, have the light, both. Also have the camera, also have the light. So I think this place I no need to open the light. Because almost come the good lighting. So why I making the like that is vlog, because this is the time. This is time to for duty finish time, so that's why I come back the light this way. So especially I use the language English because I don't want to make the just for Nepali people this video, because my things, my vlog content is foreign employer in Saudi Arabia, how to survive the daily life. So my vlog exploring what we do everyday daily life, capture this situation to my blog. We survived like that. So I have the now camera, that's why I feel better, not too much happy. Before too much happy in my camera, because I make another one camera. So this is the my daily life survive really situation. So many people doesn't know about Saudi Arabia, every day how we survive the daily life. We survive like that. So I have the light also in camera, that's why I can see the way. So before come doesn't know people in Saudi Arabia, he just foreign employee in Saudi Arabia how to survive daily life. So this is the reality. We have to go walk like that alone. It's places, art, you can see at the art reality. You just like the not have the way. I have the way, the highway, but I don't want to use this one too much. This one south in car. That's why I want to walk this way. It's very peaceful. That's why I want to walk this way. Just like jungle safari. Just like hiking. It's no way. Just like jungle